Good day, greetings. Welcome back to another lesson. In this lesson, we're going to start looking at volcanoes. So let's have a look at a few important concepts. An active volcano refers to a volcano that still erupts. A dormant volcano, it hasn't erupted in many years, however, it still has the potential to erupt. An extinct volcano has not erupted in a long time, and we should expect that this volcano will never ever erupt again. Lava refers to liquid rock that flows on the Earth's surface, and then magma is liquid rock that flows inside or underneath the Earth's surface. So your lesson objective for this lesson, students will be able to explain what a volcano is and how they form. So what is a volcano then? A volcano is a mountain or an opening in the Earth's crust where hot liquid rock, gas, and ash can escape during an eruption. How does an earthquake form? So magma rises through the cracks. In other words, it pushes through the Earth's crust. When pressure is released, so as a result of plates moving, magma explodes to the surface, causing a volcanic eruption. Once the magma erupts onto the Earth's surface, we then call it lava. So lava cools and solidifies to form a new crust, and over time, this continuous multiple eruptions then builds a volcano that we see today. So then what does it look like? So we get different types of volcanoes. However, we will just use the one in front of us as an example. So over here, we have that very distinctive cone shape that a volcano has. So here we clearly see that cone shape. Then beneath, we have your magma chamber that holds all the hot, molten, melted rock. As it pushes up to the surface, it pushes up through these cracks known as fissures, as well as through the central vent known as our pipe or volcanic pipe. So as it pushes up, and once it erupts onto the surface, it is known as lava. It ejects different material, rocks, gas, ash, liquid rock in the form of lava flows. This top section over here is your crater, and then here we can see the lava flows down and then it cools and solidifies to form your volcano.